So around Zoo Lake, it's like literally full of parks for the kids. Okay, so this is the story of the Zoo Lake. Make sure you just stop the video so you can basically read it. So there you go, guys. This is you guys can come to get your boat sorted.
There's people that are riding.
Okay, I see that we have a soccer field, actually 2 soccer fields here.
Yeah, so this is like one of the recreational facilities here at the Zoo Lake. You know, you can come here with your friends, have 5-a-side, you know, indoor soccer type of thing.
It looks like safe, you can walk around, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But I can, like you mentioning, you know, on Saturdays must be, you can see the litter on the park.
Yeah.
People come here probably and they
Spend
just
the whole day.
and they litter. Just guys, please make sure that you put everything inside of the, or just bring bags or something like that.
These are the toilets, public toilets. So if you're here, you can use the public. They're quite decent, quite clean. And
See, there's a braai area here.
you can bring your own meat.
Yeah.
You can ask the guys to braai for you, or you can braai for yourself.
Okay.
You know. So here on weekends.
How's it, guys? How's it? Good. So that's, and then you can see there is also the courts here.
Yeah.
Because there's a place full of life.
Yeah. Look, I mean,
So there you go. That's
it's a
the,
good recreational space.
and we are like in a posh upmarket neighborhood, which is
There's
Westcliff.
Park View here.
Yeah.
Just after Park View, and then you're in Northcliffe. There is Northcliffe there. That's part
Sure.
of the
Yeah.
Northcliffe
Okay.
Ridge.
Wow.
I mean Westcliffe Ridge.
Wow. And we basically technically behind Rosebank also.
Yes.
So that's, I never noticed this lake before. See someone also running on that side. No worries. The road is also there. Just remember, no fishing. It's a beautiful park, eh?
This lake, there's a lot of initiative by the community. You know, like for instance, these gardens. This is a community initiative whereby, you know, they've decided to band together and plant some gardens, and also, you know, some of the benches here are donated by some people, you know. And you have your name put on the bench. So
Yeah, you're right.
there's efforts, you know,
Oh yeah.
just to keep the place beautiful, you know. These are
Yeah.
just small gestures, but they make such a big difference.
Yeah.
And also, not too long ago, a couple of weeks back, there was a community cleanup here at the Zoo Lake. So there's that sense of pride, and also just, you know, don't wait for people to do it for you. Do it for yourself. Don't wait for
Correct.
the government to do it for you. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be an active member of society.
Be an active member of society. And this is where you can
We can take a picture. Look at that. Ah, yeah. It looks rust, but it's not rust, eh? You're right.
Look at this. Wow.
How's it, guys? Thank you. It's like they know us. Gives you guys an idea. That's the main street, and this is just the beautiful view from the whole thing. That's an awesome thumbnail alone, eh? Just walking, chilled during the week. You can see there are more people running there. Before you guys say it's not safe to run and stuff. We're also going to try to see the pool. You can see someone there cleaning the park. Sure, it's a lot of work, eh? We see this like this. Imagine after a weekend of thousands of people here, what they actually remove away from here.
Yeah.
So bro, so I thought that the restaurant was actually working.
This is the old Moyo's. 2019 was the last time it was operating.
Okay guys, so let's go inside and see what's going on. I think it's being revamped. So we are inside at Moyo.
Sure.
Let's do this. So Moyo is actually, they closed it for renovation, which is good. So I feel like I'm lost, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, how's it? Wow. That's a beautiful place, eh? Now Zulik is definitely one of the most like nicest places here in CBD to visit, you know, and take just advantage of the lake itself.
Yeah.
I remember this. So this was the main entrance.
Yes.
There you go. So people will, I remember you go up the stairs and stuff.
That way, in the front.
There you go. Let's go up there. Sure.
I mean, for me, the deck was amazing back then. All these stones.
Yeah.
You know?
Look at this. If they take advantage of the lake, just get a little bit of the branches of that tree.
Is it not too soft yet?
Just be careful.
Yeah.
Careful there. Let's go upstairs. Yeah, that's the stairs here. Yeah, I remember. So you went from here somewhere.
Yeah.
So just be careful
And
here.
there used to be water. I remember there was like a water. No.
Sure, bro. It's not safe, eh?
Oh, there is a metal. So let's stick
just
to the metal. Yeah, stick to the metal.
Okay.
Watch, Dave.
Just you two, just put the feet on the metal.
Yeah.
Sure.
I'm sure this would bring a lot of memories for a lot of people.
Ah, yeah, for sure.
This used to be
Just
quite
take
an
that.
exclusive, quite high class, quite, you know,
Yeah.
cosmopolitan African, you know.
Yeah. Sure. Well, if this opens, they need to do something about this tree because it's blocking the view.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what the rest has. Just be careful when you go down, because we don't want to literally go down with the stairs.
So I guess then this place was probably then what? The reason it was closed was because it was falling apart, or what?
I have no idea. Yeah, but remember, during COVID killed everything, eh?
Yeah.
So it's kind of a... Whew.
Yeah.
Sure.
And there was a bridge.
This.
Nice.
So, yeah, there's a lot of work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So will it
Yes.
still be the same buffet style as the Sakums? Nice.
Let's
For
go outside
now,
and see.
we're just going to, so we're going to start working from outside. So what we're going to do is we're going to serve light meals, like
Yes.
your coffee, croissants.
Yes.
Oh, we definitely coming here when it's done, eh? Is it through here?
Also, you will cater for breakfast, lunch, and
Oh, we definitely will come here when it.
Breakfast and lunch, no dinner.
or
For now, no dinner.
no
for
dinner,
now.
just breakfast
Yeah.
and lunch.
And then once we have done the second phase,
Yes.
then we go to dinner. So we renovated this area first.
Sure. So I remember, so there you will come in, you got all the fountains and stuff.
It is going to be different from some Sakums because you're adding other elements. This is where you get the view.
Imagine this on weekends, yes, all is so full. They're gonna make good business here, eh? But like I said, during 2019, 2020, when COVID hit, it killed everything. But nice to know that this is it's been taken forward. I even thought that that Moyo was still open.
Yeah.
So, well,
So I think this is where they used to have functions. Like, let's say you have a work like corporate, you know, dinner, whatever. So they will host you here.
Mm-hmm.
And all the catering will be done here.
sure. Imagine just here with this beautiful overlooking proper. Look at this. This is beautiful. It's being fixed, that's the only thing that matters.